Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use QuickBooks 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts and practical steps to help you master this powerful accounting software. First, let's start with the basics. QuickBooks 2025 is a financial management tool designed to help small businesses and accountants manage their finances efficiently. To get started, you need to install the software and set up your company file. This involves providing basic information about your business, such as company name, address, and tax identification number. Once you have set up your company file, you can start navigating the QuickBooks interface. The main menu is divided into several sections, including Home, Company, Customers, Vendors, Employees, and Reports. The Home section provides a snapshot of your company's financial performance, including income, expenses, and cash flow. To manage your customers, you need to create customer profiles, which include contact information, billing addresses, and payment terms. You can also track customer transactions, such as invoices, payments, and credits. The Vendors section allows you to manage your suppliers and track expenses, including bills, payments, and credits. One of the key features of QuickBooks 2025 is invoicing. To create an invoice, you need to select the customer, add the items or services sold, and specify the payment terms. You can also customize your invoices with your company logo, address, and other relevant information. Another important feature is expense tracking. To track expenses, you need to create expense accounts, which categorize your expenses into different types, such as rent, utilities, and supplies. You can also link your bank accounts to QuickBooks to automatically download transactions and categorize them. In addition to invoicing and expense tracking, QuickBooks 2025 also provides robust reporting capabilities. You can generate financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. You can also create custom reports to analyze specific aspects of your business, such as sales trends, customer behavior, and expense patterns. To get the most out of QuickBooks 2025, it's essential to follow best practices, such as regularly backing up your data, reconciling your bank accounts, and reviewing your financial reports. You should also take advantage of the software's automation features, such as automatic invoicing and payment reminders, to streamline your accounting processes. In conclusion, QuickBooks 2025 is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances efficiently and effectively. By following this guide and practicing regularly, you can master the key concepts and features of the software and take your business to the next level. Remember to stay organized, follow best practices, and take advantage of the software's automation features to get the most out of QuickBooks 2025.